Hey, how's it going everybody? I hope you're having an awesome day. I got some really good news for you. Today the spacers came in for my Audi A4, so we're gonna get the new wheels on today. Let's get to it. Alright everybody, so before we get to installing these new spacers and the new wheels on my car, I want to go over a few things. First off, these are 5mm spacers from ECS Tuning. Now, even with these only being 5mm spacers, it's a good idea to get the new lug bolts that come with these spacers, and please use these. The stock bolts are not long enough to give you enough threading for your wheels, so it really puts you at risk. So please use the new bolts, lug bolts that come with these spacers. Okay. Hey, quick PSA for you guys. So whenever you buy a car from a used car lot, make sure you get your alignment checked. Even though when I purchased this car, the dealer said the alignment was good, clearly it's not, because as we can see on the inside of the tire, it's worn all the way down to the band, and it's clearly not worn evenly. So just make sure you guys get that checked, because if this had blown on the freeway or something, it could have been really bad. Alright, back to the install. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. We finally got those wheels on and they look sweet. They look awesome. Please stay tuned for the next video. I don't know when I'm going to do another one on the Audi, but it'll probably be suspension or something related to suspension. Please stay tuned also for more videos on my Suzuki GS500, my motorcycle. Those are coming out soon. I'm waiting on parts to come in. Hey guys, one last thing before I go. Go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram, @WizTheWiz. There you'll be able to see photos of my cars and of my motorcycle. There's going to be more coming in sporadically throughout the next month or so. So please stay tuned for that. Give me a follow. Thank you guys so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.